Hi, it's Cook here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making my own version of hot wings, combining 3 different cultures: Vietnamese, Chinese, and American. If you want to see how I prepare my chicken wings, please follow me. This step is actually optional. You can just wash your chicken wings and you can just move on and marinate your wings. For me, I prefer to boil it in hot water for about 30 seconds using salt and vinegar. That's how I remove impurities and germs, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. My chickens are nice and clean. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now add in 1 teaspoon of hot and spicy seasoning Maggie. Then add in 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of white ground pepper. Add in 1 teaspoon of rosemary salt. Add in 1 egg. For this recipe, I'm going to use my hand to mix up all the ingredients. This is the best way. Lastly, add 1/2 cup of cornstarch in addition. Give it a good mix to the consistency I want. Just like this. I don't want a thick batter. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Using my Dutch oven, heat up the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add in my first batch of chicken wings. Deep fry the chicken wings until they turn lightly golden brown, just like that. Remove them and let them drain on a rag or paper towel. Repeat the same process for a second batch. Turn up the heat. The temperature of oil should be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put all the chicken wings back into the pot. Refry them for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Deep frying chicken wings a second time will ensure the meat is cooked. Double frying a second time gives the chicken more crispy result. Remove all the chicken wings when they turn nicely golden brown. Let them dry on a rag or paper towel to help absorb the oil. Look how beautiful the color turns out. Okay, my chicken wings are almost done. Just one more step. I hope you're enjoying my recipe so far. My chicken wings are very crispy. For those of you who just found my channel, welcome on board. I upload my recipe 2 times a week. If you enjoy my recipe, please like and subscribe. Here is a moment of truth. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil into a new saucepan. Add in all my chicken wings. Are you ready for this? Add in my spicy garlic sauce infused with strawberry and guava jam. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you. So make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss out my videos weekly. For your convenience, I will list the ingredients to make the sauce. It is also listed under my description. I hope I didn't disappoint you, and thank you so much for your patience and time. If you have a chance, try out this recipe and let me know in the comment below. Garnish with green onion. Side dish such as tomatoes and radish will go well with my chicken wings as well. You can serve chicken wings as an appetizer or serve it with rice and side dish tomatoes and radish. This is it. My recipe has been completed. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Until then, take care. Bye now.